Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's Assyrian lentil soup. First thing, we're going to wash the lentils. You're going to want to wash them pretty aggressively to get off any starch or residue. Wash the lentils until the rinses run clear. Over medium heat, add your oil to your pot. Any high heat oil will do. Avocado, vegetable, or canola oil are all good options. Next, add your chopped up yellow onion. You'll saute the onion for about 4 minutes to soften. After your onions have softened, you'll add in your washed red lentils. You'll saute the lentils and the onions together for about a minute. Next, you'll add in your garlic, salt, turmeric, and chili powder. All the measurements are in the description below. You'll saute for about a minute until you can smell the garlic and spices. Add 2 cups of boiling hot water. Be careful when you add your water because the oil may splatter. Stir the soup and place the lid on the pot cracked open. Let the pot come back to a boil. After about 2 minutes, stir the lentils. Place the lid on the pot cracked open like before. Let the pot come back to a boil. This is what you'll want the pot to look like, just slightly cracked open. After letting the soup boil for 5 minutes, this is what the lentils will look like. Most of the water at this point has been evaporated or absorbed into the lentils. You're going to need to add some more water, so go ahead and add 1 more cup of boiling hot water. Just like before, stir the soup to get everything well combined. Place the lid back on slightly open. After boiling for 5 more minutes, blend the soup to your desired consistency. After blending the soup, bring the pot over back to a low heat and add the vermicelli pasta. Let the soup simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This is what your soup will look like when it's done. And that's it! You can enjoy the soup as is or add a fresh squeeze of lemon to brighten up and add some acidity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try out the recipe. Leave any comments or questions down below.